In this video, you'll learn how to access your database in Bluehost using the account portal. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what you're looking at. Even if you're new to hosting or databases, don't worry, we'll keep it simple and focused. First, make sure you're signed in to your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is the main dashboard you see after logging into your hosting account. If you're not already there, open your browser, go to the Bluehost website and log in with your account credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're ready to begin. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu, often called the sidebar. This sidebar is where Bluehost groups most of the key sections for your account, such as your sites, your marketplace, and your account details. Look down this left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Websites. Go ahead and click on Websites. When you click Websites, Bluehost will load a page that shows all the websites currently connected to your hosting accounts. If you have just one site, you'll see that site listed here. If you have multiple websites, you'll see each one in its own card or row with some basic information and a few action buttons. Next, find the specific website whose database you want to access. Take a moment to double check that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage more than one. On the same line or card as that website, look for a button labeled Manage. This button is your way into the detailed settings for that particular site. Click the Manage button next to the website you want to work on. After you click Manage, you'll be taken to the overview page for that site. This page acts like a control center, giving you quick access to important tools and settings. You may see sections for performance, security, backups, and other options. What we're interested in right now is the database area. On the overview page, scroll down until you see a button or section labeled Databases. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little bit to find it, so don't worry if it's not immediately visible. Once you see the Databases button, click on it. Clicking Databases opens the database management panel for that specific website. This is where Bluehost lists all the databases that are associated with the site you selected. If you're working with a WordPress site, for example, you'll typically see the main database that stores your posts, pages, users, and settings. In this panel, you can view the names of your databases, and depending on your hosting plan and permissions, you may also see options to manage them further, such as accessing tools like MyAdmin, reviewing database details, or managing users and permissions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's listed here so you know which database is tied to which site or application. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the Bluehost portal, found your website, and opened the database management panel where all associated databases are displayed.